Barbara, Cornelius, Diane, Mortimer, Merlin, Randy, Dave, and Frankie in the background. Good boy. Well, my work's done for the day, and I get a chance to play. I'm out in the backyard. Fortunate to have a creek back here. But I brought out my road scraper today because I've been reworking the banks with a larger full-size excavator. Prevent the floods and stuff that would happen around here. This is actually an all-metal piece that I've had in my collection for a number of years. It's exquisite. So this road scraper is actually 100% metal, except for the obvious rubber for the tires. It's a custom build. I didn't make it, but I was able to order it years ago, and it's one of the key pieces of my collection. Let's turn it on. It won't move unless you actually turn it on. I use a Paladin PL18, 18 channels, but I don't need 18 channels. Hydraulic, electric. CHAiN-DRiVEN. What? Yep. So many people still ask me for that beautiful show we made called YouTube Gold. Those were wonderful days. But a lot's changed since then. The world, the cost of things, my location even. Look at, there is the chain right there, the drive chain. If you look right underneath, hello, welcome to being a mechanic, you'll see is attached to the differential. So CHAiN-DRiVEN, hydraulic steered, very cool model. Steering forward with this one, and I tied it in to be left and right so I can steer on one joystick and then control everything with the other joystick. Now, before I get any dirt in the actual pan, I'm going to show you how this operates. So, up and down will open the apron. Turning the joystick will move the ejector. What I'm doing is I'm just twisting the knob back and forth. Now to drop the pan left and right on this joystick here.
Just a little off the top. Each pass a little bit more.
It's just fun to look at. I'm going to fill in some of this area here with the ejector. So the low spots, I'm basically just emptying the pan or the belly of the beast. And then where it's high, I scrape it with the belly or the pan with the blade, the cutting blade, scraping the high spots, collecting it to be dumped in the low spots. You know, I started this channel playing out in the woods on my own. I find it fascinating that that's where I've returned. If that's not getting back to your roots, I don't know. Last one. Battery's gonna run low here. But not bad for a day's play. Oh, almost need to get a dozer out here to give her a push. Of course, if I was running a dozer, I probably wouldn't be running the scraper, you know what I mean? Let's get out of here. Not bad. I'll keep working on it.